What's up, guys? Today I'm at my mom's house. You see right there, she's chilling. But come here, come here. You wanna see how much money my mom get? Look, look. This is outside, outside. You see, she has 2 refrigerators. Oh, just outside. Wow, what a money. Kita nyo, come over here, come over here. Ito, what inside? There's a lot inside. You know, expensive fruits, vegetables, kadakwa. Like as you see, oh, napuno. Kita? Medyo mo mesa. Come over here, come. Kita nyo, this one is very expensive. This one, tadakdakal it's bigger. Oh, kita nyo mama. Oh. Oh, kita nakangingina, di ba? Kuha na taunog na. Oh, you have chicken. Ay, two. Kita, dapat ti barbecue. Oh, kita nyo. Anda mga binetin mo. Kita nyo ba ice cream niya? Ice cream. Ice cream. Oh. Kita nyo, oh. Ice cream. Mang, apen. Ape kasi tinik mayo, mang. Yan, din dapat. Awang manin.